but you got a court date tomorrow.
I do.
Because you've been victimized.
I am being summoned by the city of Dallas in regards to the assault case, the Beto staffer, whenever that whole thing went down. And she tried to grab my phone from me and grabbed my hand in the process and tried to pull my phone and my hand. And it was a whole big thing. And so the city of Dallas has summoned me to go testify in that case because she's pleading not guilty and doesn't want to pay the fine. And
the people versus O'Rourke.
Yeah. So this one is different than so we've got the federal lawsuit that we filed in federal court, and this one is her court date for her assault, which I find very interesting. I guess she's just rolling the dice, hoping that she gets a lenient judge because we have video, like it's all on video. We have video evidence. There's really no disputing that she did it. So it'll be interesting to see. Yeah. I'm not looking forward to sitting around all day watching how the city of Dallas manages their judicial system. Something tells me it's going to be a complete cluster.
Just all of that stresses me out.
Yeah, me too.
Going to court stresses me out.
Me
for
too.
Numerous reasons, but just the whole process of the whole thing. So
yeah.
We'll be watching.
Yeah, well, it'll be interesting to find out. I think she chose, and this is publicly available information, so I don't think I'm disclosing anything I can't disclose. That it said that she it said that she chose trial by jury, which I found to be fascinating. So,
and this is the cop.
No, this is the staffer.
The staffer.
This is the staffer.
I meant the staffer.
The cop is the cop is currently under investigation by the city of Dallas for criminally and internal affairs. And then is a part of the federal lawsuit.
You know, I know that like me personally, I think at some point you got to hold people accountable. That's
why we're doing this, Chad. It's like, could I have just walked away because I don't have any visible marks? I didn't fall down the stairs and break my ankle. They didn't actually break my phone. Sure, I could have just said, okay, well, you know what? That sucked. But you can't treat people this way, especially if you're running for, think about this. This man wants to be governor of Texas, and his campaign staff is using Dallas police as like their mafia muscle.
Yeah.
That's a big deal.
Yeah.
That's a really big deal. And if we don't shine a light on this kind of treatment, it's going to continue happening, because I thought to myself, imagine what this cop has done to other people who are just on the street, who have no idea what their rights are and maybe don't have the resources to be able to pursue something. Mm-hmm. They can't hold this cop accountable. If I can, I should. And that's why we're doing it.
Steve's turned on right now because he likes to get handcuffed and slapped around.
That's basically why we have this barrier in between us right now.
Yeah, I said, don't let him touch me.
Keep me on my side.
Y'all are violating a weird restraining order something.
I'll give you her name. I'm sure she'll give you a good
Slap
time.
you around.
Yeah.
Ooh, I want to volunteer for the O'Rourke campaign. They treat a boy rough around there. Yeah, this is going to be interesting to see how this thing plays out. Yeah. And when are we gonna, when are we gonna stop allowing the crazies to determine the debate rules or what the fight looks like? Mm-hmm. We keep letting the left define. I mean, good God, they're redefining everything right now.
Language means nothing.
Language means nothing.